guys, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm at Motorsport, aka Canadian Tire Motorsport Park, to test drive the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N TCR Edition car. Now before I hit the racetrack, I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to know about this daily driver that's been inspired by the race car TCR. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra N TCR Edition is front-wheel drive only, but buyers have the choice between a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. However, the 8-speed auto option increases power to 286 horsepower with the Grin shift boost mode feature. The 19-inch forged wheels are standard along with N performance brakes. The electronically controlled limited slip differential is standard, or simply put, it just enhances traction control. Also standard, this carbon adjustable spoiler. The Hyundai Elantra N TCR Edition road car is equipped with the same Alcantara interior that you'll find in a $200,000 Lamborghini. Now, let's hit the racetrack. So Mark, realistically, how comparable is this N TCR Edition road car to your TCR race car?
Well, it's as close as you can get. So what Hyundai's done with this Elantra N TCR Edition is bring that rear wing to add that stability for track days, and of course the big brake kit, which, you know, obviously adds that stopping capacity, brings that ever closer to our TCR race car. So yeah, they're very close. 2-liter turbo across the board. The TCR race car, a little bit more power. Some TCR homologations, about 350 horsepower. So with this, we're around the 280 mark. But really, it's got all the soul of the TCR race car. So this TCR edition, not only is it limited, but it brings you that much closer. So whether that's brakes, aero, tires, we'll talk about that a little bit. So with the Cup 2, it gives you just that added grip, like on the limit, that 10/10 pace. This is a car that's been designed for the racetrack. This is where we want to see this car being pushed to the limits all the time. And so it's just, yeah, super cool that we have a car that we can drive on the street that's almost the same as our race car.
Yeah, so if you were purchasing one, would you get the automatic or would you get the manual?
Well, I'm always partial to the manual. I love the 6-speed in this car. It's so much fun. It's engaging. The DCT is a fantastic transmission. It's a little quicker in a straight line, but for me, it's about the experience. Everything about the Elantra N, whether it's the regular Elantra N or the TCR Edition, it's just the experience of driving, and it's just such a driver's car. And to me, the manual transmission just adds another element, and yeah, it's just, for me, it's the way to go.
Yeah, what I like about this is the clutch. So I recently reviewed the Honda Civic Type R.
Okay.
And my biggest issues with that car was the dashboard, the infotainment system sticks out, so it's not very good visibility if you want to sit low. Then the clutch. The clutch had so much trail in it that you couldn't really get the engagement right in that, whereas this one, it's much shorter. So it's instant, and you have the short shifting too. And I also find that your automatic rev match is much higher, so it gives you that torque.
Yeah, I mean, the gearbox is just so well suited to the car. It's very smooth. The clutch take-up engagement is very nice. It's designed to be user-friendly, whether you're sort of a novice or you're out for your first track days, or, you know, you're a seasoned pro. The transmission will take whatever you throw at it.
Yeah.
And that's what I love. I mean, I'm not easy on my Elantra N. I think I've left 3 track days this year alone, and you know, it's just such a riot to row through the gears and just push the car. I mean, everything about it, just pushing it to the limit everywhere. It's just so rewarding, whether it's transmission and just general chassis. I mean, it's just, as you can feel, it just hugs the corners. It's awesome.
It's responsive. Honestly, wasn't expecting this from Hyundai. Gotta be honest.
Yeah, I mean, you know what? It's when we take people out in these cars and we show them the capabilities, people always say, yeah, but what's done to this one? You're tracking this one. No, this is an N. This is made for the track. Yeah. And a lot of people think that, you know, we're trying to pull the wool over their eyes and like, oh, you've done something. There's no way. No, this is how you buy it from the dealer. This is the spec. And I love that you could come out lap after lap all day long, as many track days as you want. This car will take whatever you throw at it, and it's just such a riot. It just smiles all day long.
Yeah, I haven't stopped.
Yeah, that's what the car is all about. Yeah.
Yeah, love it. Hey, good luck. This is amazing.
Yeah, thanks.